On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Gang, 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 gang. Good to see everybody. Hopefully you're having a beautiful, beautiful morning. It is Friday. I feel like we need some pump-up music, but I'm in a good mood. Obviously, the Dusty Hunt says we cannot talk about hockey today. Well, we have to win at something, okay? Congratulations to Team USA and Team Canada for having a clean yet competitive, exciting game yesterday. It was absolutely fun. We all had a wonderful, wonderful time in the Discord watching the game. I streamed the game live for everybody. A little bit of streaming jiu-jitsu, okay? Look at the... Sorry, I'm not going to deny you of watching this push, okay? A lot of people are looking at short right now. And, I mean, what an incredible game, right? I mean, good competitiveness, lots of fun. And it was a good time last evening hanging out with all of you guys in the Discord and watching the game. We had lots of fun. It was lots of fun. But at the end of the day, we should have lost. Because now they really are going to be like, okay, man, at least if we take them over and they become the 51st state, 55th, how do you guys say it? State, we can be better at hockey. At least we have something to offer, right? And now we may be in more trouble of, hockey tariffs or something like that. So be prepared, Canada. Be prepared. I don't think America's going to be a happy loser. But we're not here for that. We're here to make money. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Bitcoin's ripping to the upside. Bearish divergence across the planet. I haven't shared this out to anybody, so maybe we can all go and share this out right now. I'm going to go and share it out to the Discord. I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you know that McJesus game-winning goal, just so you guys know. And by the way, did you see Matthews left him all alone in front of the net? I'm just saying Matthews. I have a Matthews jersey, okay? I am a Leafs fan, No wonder we can't win in the playoffs. Matthews left him all alone in front of the net. All alone. How could you do that when you have McJesus all alone in front of the net? Is that a smart decision? I don't think that's a smart decision to leave this guy all alone in front of the net. I'm just saying. I'm just sharing out right now. I'm just sharing it out on the socials, trying to get the word out to the big bird, you know? But a great game nonetheless. A great game nonetheless. Okay, we're back. I've shared it all out. We're good to go. Hopefully everybody gets the memo. 110 people in here already. You guys are crazy, man. You guys ready to make some money? This thing's ripping to the upside. Is anybody long? Okay, I'm kind of ticked off. I got long here yesterday. And I closed it out right here. And I mean, that was my intention. That was a little trade after the fact. I took 2 scalps yesterday for a good old $500. Just in here, 97.1, 98. Right in here on the way up. Okay. All the way up to here. I guess I could have held. Would have been smart. We're ripping right now. That's okay. We're making money, baby. We're making money. Look at this thing go. Bitcoin to the moon. Did you see the China money supply? I shared it out in the Discord right now. Pretty interesting stuff. I don't know, man. This world. I don't know if you're ready for this, man. This is going to be a pretty intense. Because they're looking at China to stimulate because of the strength of the dollar. Chinese M1 money supply. Whoo. Looks a lot like Bitcoin. Marty Party. You should go follow Marty Party. It does a lot of good technical analysis. Nice push here for Bitcoin. So let me know, are you in the long? Are you in the long? Strong, get the friction on, baby. Got back. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All set. Thank you for saying have a great stream and a great weekend. Much love to you. All set. Jeffrey Stone Cipher always saying good morning. Thank you for being here. Chantel, good morning. I've been watching most mornings and would like to trade full-time. It's just hard to start when you have a full-time job. So trading full-time does not mean you have to quit your day job. I'm proof of that. You need to be able to time block. You need to be able to set aside specific times when you want to trade. If you want to scalp intraday, you gotta set a session. You gotta set a time block when you're gonna trade, or you gotta swing trade and you get like really really good with alerts. That's gonna change the game for you. Okay. Look at this. Ripper to the upside, mitigating our special level. Here, special levels, given an advance in the Discord. Pushing into our giant order block above us. Okay, big move here. Coming up to our psychological $100,000. Incredible. Massey, good morning. Quick Smoker, good morning. Thank you for joining us last night. That was good fun. Dragonfly, Goldie, Crypto. Good to see you, Goldie. How's it going? Dragonfly, Crypto Caveman, forget about it. Let's get after it. Relentlessly. Swagasaurus Rex. Good morning, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dragonfly D. Paul Caruso. Lord Otter and the gang. Let's go. Kelly L. What's going on? Good to see you. Remo BC Port Corp in the Piper Academy. Mo 2, what's going on? Judge, good morning to you. Lorelei, good to see you. Thank you for always saying good morning as well. Scadwick Gaming, Tim Young, good morning to you. Roaming Brave, Shiver. Brr, it's cold in Canada. Minus a lot. Let's call it minus a lot. Who cares? Dan Bartley, good to see you. Roaming Brave. Good to see you guys in here. Thank you for being here. Morning, Papa Alex. Yes, I am a papa. I actually just before the stream, I got to hold my son and throw him. Well, I didn't throw him in the air. He's 6 months. Wee! It was lots of fun. He's growing too fast, man. 6 months today, incredible. Where does time go? It felt like I was getting married yesterday. We got married, and it was planned, okay? Planned the wedding. The wife got knocked up. Had the wedding. Had the baby. Now, this wasn't me, okay? My wife did all this. I take no credit. I had the fun part. Let's be real. I had the fun part. My wife's incredible. Had the baby. And it's 6 months after that. And this was all last year. Incredible. Incredible. Baby otter into the world. It's going to be a fun one. Good morning, Al Jr. Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat last night as well. I watched 1 minute, and that was the end of overtime. Oh, Canada, congrats. Yeah, we got to be, we got to win at something. So a little push up here. Obviously, we want to short it. Probably not a good choice right now. Probably not a good choice. What do you guys think? We just short this thing to come back down into the range? Possibly. Possibly. Okay. It's been an interesting week, man. I've done really well off stream and poorly on stream. So make sure you're using a damn stop loss. Make sure you are trading your narrative and your ideas and your setups, because it's never financial advice. But I mean, 5 for 5 last week and 0 for 3 this week. So no trade on the stream yesterday. Took 2 trades off the stream for just under $500 yesterday. A quick little winnie chicken dinner here. This is yesterday from the top here. You see yesterday, the close time, the longs, the 2 trades. That was just after the live stream there at 10 and 11. Okay, took some trades after that on the bounces. Just a quick $500 for the day, and I haven't traded since. So we'll see what happens here. Been very choppy and very sporadic. Okay, so let's be cautious to say the least. What's going on, Gains for Life? Good to see you. Morning. Darren does things. Darren, you're doing things, man. Good to see you, man. Jesse, good luck. Let's go. Grandmaster Ape. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know how to go Scottish accent on you, man. I don't want to disrespect, but good morning. Bird Next Star, what's going on? Yes, Kelly, you are correct. Once we start losing, it's all over. Oh, man. John, good morning to you. Good to see you. Alexandra G. Oh, Otter gang. Driving to work. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G. DSV. It's in the game. Paul Caruso. I'm long on ETH. Let's go. Let's go. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Long BTC and ETH. I'm long ETH. Let's go. Long peak. Let's go. Darshan, good morning to you. Dead Man. Andrew Cameron. Paul Caruso. Lee, what's going on? Didn't they calculate the metric differently? Probably on that Chinese money supply I think you're talking about. But it's pumping. So I mean, are they printing? Spyros, Jabes, good morning to you. Good to see you. Darren is long from the bottom. Good job, Darren. Make sure you pay yourself, brother. Kurosama, good morning, Vietnam. Yeah, I think we might. Yeah, you're probably onto something. The divergences might turn us around here. Yeah, Danius Selkis. Good morning, Alex. Again, good morning, man. Yeah, if I miss you, I'm sorry if I miss you. I try to get everybody, man. It's Hotto Crypto. Good morning. It's a task and a half, right? David Brumbelow, what's going on, my man? Good to see you. Crypto Caveman, one love to you, man. Miles, good morning. Let's go. Enjoy your morning coffee, everyone. Let's do it. New York Open gonna dump this. Wipe these FOMO longers out, then continue up. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. Pretty much in no man's land right now. VWAP's below us. Okay, so right now you can see VWAP's curving up here. Very overextended. I think I would like some sort of and maybe we get short like that. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but nonetheless, this is looking juicy, man. It's pretty incredible to be in this space. You know, the emotional roller coaster is absolutely hilarious. You know, Twitter is just good morning, God bless you, crypto trader. Thanks for being here, man. Steve Hickey, good morning to you. Rashad, good morning to you. Dr. Pepper, good morning from Germany. Krankenhausenwagen. Let's go, man. Sorry, I have to. Every time I see Germany, I have to go Krankenwagen on you. I'm sorry. Jesse, good luck. What's going on, man? Brumbelows in the chat. Ape? That is what she said. Traveling Studios, good to see you. Dragonfly, smash that like button, says Jesse. Good luck. Thank you for smashing the like button, and thanks for joining us last night watching the hockey game in the Discord, man. Judge says congratulations. Let's go, man. Everybody killing it. Go Amy Otter, yeah. Wife's superstar. I'm very lucky. I don't know how I tricked her. I ask her every single day, how did I trick you? She's like, I don't know. I don't know either. Oof. This is looking toppy. Very overextended here. You know, some constructive price action. Got some key levels down below us, but really getting up here now. Now this has changed. Okay, so always be adjusting your fib levels as they materialize, okay? As you get new highs, you're always going to have to adjust these levels to kind of accommodate your new high, okay? As you higher low to high, right? And you're going to have to adjust it. If we get higher than this, you have to adjust it up again. Okay, so make sure you're always adjusting those along the way. Big roll over here. Retest to previous highs, continuation up. Oof. I don't know about that. Good to see you. Just a sub. Good morning to you, man. How's it going? Good to see you. Gains for life. Darren does things. Kelly's. I'm so long. Hope it's not shorting time. I guess I better take some profits. Yeah. Make sure you always. This is very much. This is the first time we have been trending over a couple of days, right? We've been trending since Tuesday. Okay, we haven't been. This is the first time we've been trending. Okay, look, trending. And then you can separate it in the days, right? If you're looking at the days, you can go, the 17th, the 16th, the 15th, the 14th. Round tripping, man. It's round tripping. So you got to be top of the range. We're treating it like a range, right? The beautiful thing that we have done now is we have taken this high. That is the beautiful thing. Okay? We have taken the high, which is beautiful. We have grabbed the liquidity at these highs. We are now hunting this high in here and this high in here. This can happen really quick. Dominoes, right? Pop, 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 pop. So, but I would expect maybe this. Maybe. Either it's here or it's here. I'll tell you that much. Got liquidity all on the lows in here. When this wants to come, remember, they're taking the stairs up. What are they going to take down, my friends? Okay, so always be using a stop loss. Always be very careful. We're trying to trade with trend, but we don't want to get caught with our pants down, okay, as they say. I don't know where they called that. I don't know who came. Imagine being the person who came up with that. Caught with your pants down. What were they into? There's some weird stuff going on in the world, Need to be careful of those people. Luke Zaldana, good morning. Good to see you. Alex, good morning. Great name. Alexander G. There's an Alex in here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gains for life. Trobius, lurking every day. Thank you for lurking, man. I appreciate the lurking comments. Topside liquidity has been grabbed. Might see another little push to the upside in preparation for data. I mean, are we really going to consider the data today? Like, what do we have? We have global services, S&P. I mean, we did get dumped by Walmart the other day. We should be paying attention. Is there any earnings today? I'm not too worried about this. Unless we get existing home sales goes really bad. That's at 10 a.m., so that's not going to affect us. Moin from Berlin. Krankenwagen. Thank you for being here. Moin. Moin. I hope I said that right. Good morning. Top of the morning. Dead man, thank you for being here. I love it when people are saying good morning. 200 people in here. Morning, chaps. Good to see you. Airdropper in here. What's going on, Andrew Clayman? It's looking like a classic weekend. Trap run for late entries and anyone who doesn't close their position today. Yeah, could be. Konstantinos. What's going on, man? Great name. Great name. Tups Fishing. Good morning to you. Attila, good morning. Nelly, good morning. It's been a while. Good to see you, Nelly Dean. Attila, good to see you as well. Retro Mike Tech, my brother. How's it going, RMT? You having a good day? Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for those memberships the other day. I appreciate you, man. Hopefully you're having a great day. NW, good morning from Markham. Markham. NW, I'm not trying to be racist, but people from Markham in Toronto are typically Asian. Put a 1 in the chat if you're Asian. Just saying. I love Markham. I'm just guessing. How do I extend my Discord? Tomorrow I have to extend. You have to extend. It should just be reoccurring, Goldie Crypto. So it should you shouldn't have to extend your Discord subscription. It should just go through. We can talk about that in the Discord if you need help with that. No problem. Tubbs Fishing, good morning to you. Wick 589, just at me over here. Your chat with Alex. Go over here. Everybody, if you do want to join our Discord, it's $1 a day. Keeps the doctor away. Making lots of money. I don't know. I'm not a rapper, but I'm here to help. So you can go over here and you can bug me, which isn't Goldie Crypto never bugs me. Let's get it. Real. Ask anything. Goldie. Hey, what's up? I'll message you over here, okay? And we can have a discussion and try to help you out. The coin pie is a scam. Don't touch it. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on? Okay, trapping longs at the top right now, in my opinion. We're not going to talk about Pi Network. The bird next door. What's going on, man? Good to see you, BC Port Corp. Look at all these legends in here. Thank you guys for being here. Swagasaurus Lex. It was a Canadian who came up with that quote. Yeah, probably, man. Probably. Biz Knowledge, good to see you. The bird next door. Crypto Sammy, good morning. He's short. I wouldn't fade this just yet. I would look for this low to be lost. That's just me. Patience. French Toaster, good morning. Good to see you. How's it going? The bravest, coolest pop-up notification toaster in the whole world. Don't get caught with your pants on. Yeah, that's better. Gang, let's go. Creed, good to see you as well. Easy C, good to see you, my man. David Brumbelow, French Toaster TV. You're moin? Moin? Sounds perfect. Thanks. Nice, man. Thanks for being here. I'm trying. I'm trying my best, man. I always want to honor people's culture. I never want to disrespect. I mean, you can make fun of my Canadian maple syrup ass all you want and my igloo with my pet moose outside. I mean, I ride moose, you know, like I ride moose. They even filmed me on the gift channel here. I was just leaving my house to go and do some fishing on my moose. Going to do some fishing and some hunting. And we're going to get the maple syrup from the trees in the background here, and we're just going to go and, you know, get her done. Didn't have to take my snowmobile that time. I don't mind. I think stereotypes are absolutely hilarious. And please make fun of my prime minister. I encourage that as well. We love you, Justin. Jeff Carlson, good morning to you. Auto Crypto. Wick 589. Let's go. Good to see you. Okay, thanks, Alex. No worries. We're good here. Kelly L. Stock headlines. AI enthusiasm is lifting markets again. Let's go. That's awesome. E-commerce company Alibaba. Strong results from AI. Awesome. That's good. Bullish. We got bees in the chat. Bees knees. You guys are the bees knees. How about that hockey game last night, baby? Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Go Canada. TRD Farmer in the chat. Joe Bell says pump to 105 today. Okay. That would be sweet. Wix 589. Good morning, wifey. Good to see you as well. Jesse Gluck, TM. Good morning to you. Joe Bell, crypto trader. Up 5% up pre-market. Yeah, it's pretty wild. We'll see how it goes. The Nasdaqery. The Nasdaqery. It's a beautiful drink. The Nasdaqery. Love that. I love that. Sparky Loft. Any fight last night? No fights. Just a good old clean win. So Hill, good morning. The bird next door. It has zero use case. We're not gonna we ain't talking about shitcoins here. Gang. Hey. Y'all. Gang. Let's go. Wifey with the gang. Good to see you. Thank you for being here, everybody, and supporting the channel. Make sure you guys are smashing up those like buttons. We've hit everybody up now. So we've done our job. So pushing here, Bitcoin, look at this. This is what we want to avoid right here. Okay, this is the danger zone. Okay, you can see last night we were watching the hockey game. This was happening. I'm like, oh, it looks pumpy, looks dumpy, looks pumpy, looks dumpy, looks pumpy, looks dumpy. And then look at this. This is an absolute terror coming and sweeping this high. Now what is this? Okay, you need to be able to zoom out. Yes, we go on the short-term time frames, but we need to be able to zoom out to understand what are we doing here. We are getting above this. Okay, boop. We go all the way over here. Okay. Mitigating highs, okay? Very important to understand that we are tapping the highs in here, which is very good. Meaning break a structure, continuation, okay? So we have flip structure on a higher term time frame. Okay, so what does that mean? Right, Alex O'Crypto, what are you talking about flipping structure about? All right. So if we are counting this as our high, and then we have, some higher lows or some lower highs, and then we have broken structure here, okay, but we hadn't broken this here. So now we have broken this here, which allows us to somewhat justify a continuation, okay, somewhat, okay. So this has allowed us to say that if we come down here and we don't break this low here, that we can look for a continuation trade here. That's what that tells me. Okay. So I can prepare for getting long at a key level down within these areas, which is beautiful, right? However, what goes up must come down. So we have created liquidity within the lows here. And we have not returned for that liquidity. So would we break this and come down? Sweeping lows, first target, like I said, right around 96.5. We'll see if we bounce from there first. But we have a giant, and I mean a giant level of support now within our range and a very chunky volume profile, okay? So will we come back down, get acceptance into the range, or will we stay above the value area high and continue to the upside, right? Will we stay in here, will we retest the highs and then shoot up? Very possible. Most likely we come into here, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So understanding where we're at. We're at the top of the range. We're at the biggest psychological level known to man, which is $100,000. We have a big-ass order block in here, and we also have the highs in here, and lots of liquidity in all of this in here. If we're looking at liquidity, it's all in here now, okay? So liquidity here, and we are stuck in the middle with the major resistance line in front of us. So will it go? We'll see. It's going to take some oomph to get through here, okay? If it's going to go. So we're prepared for that, as you are now prepared for that as well. Also, higher highs, higher lows all the way up. So no real retrace back in. That's the concern. You didn't get anything like this where it comes back and then goes. Okay, so that's the concern. Coming up in here, bearish divergence. If we're looking around at our hopium, look at this 3-day. The 3-day looks absolutely sexy, man. Look at this thing. 3-day couldn't look any sexier. Money coming back up. VWAP crossover, 3-day trigger wave. 2. Beautiful. Green dot trying to print again. VWAP crossing over. Money coming up. Beautiful. Daily. Anchor trigger wave. The money has turned green, baby. The money has turned green. So much hopium here. So much hopium. So let's understand hopium. 3 white soldiers on the daily. When you get 3 white soldiers, what I typically see is you get 3 white soldiers, then you get a consolidation, okay? Then you get a move. Consolidation, and then a move. Okay? That's just my experience, and that's what I typically see. But this is hella bullish, baby. Okay, better than any of this shit. There's my first swear word of the day. I did good yesterday. I got 2 swear words in, and I didn't break my rules. Okay? First swear word of the day. I said the S word, if that's even possible to be a swear word. But hey, what do you know? What am I talking about? I gotta say about now on purpose. I say about, but we'll say about just for you guys. I'm sure you like the I'm sure you like the Canadian accent. What are you talking about? Get her done, all that good stuff. All right, you guys are incredible. I'm just making sure we still. So up only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 candles to the upside. Pretty bullish. Okay, pretty bullish. Let's just be level-headed in this. I would like to see this high taken in here. 101, 101, 102. But that's I don't want to. It's Friday, baby. I don't want to get overextended into the weekend. Right, we're at the top of this volume chunk in here. Get overextended into the weekend. We can move to 102 really quickly, quite easily. If we go back to even just, yeah, it could be quick. Could be over quick. We do have good support here. Really good support at 98,000 as well. Okay. Very interesting. The sentiment is shifting. You guys are getting very, very bullish. And I just want to kind of tell you to calm down, pussycat. Okay. 8-hour overextended, curling over. Now we get into it. 4-hour overextended. Stochastics flipping red. Money trying to push back up. Bounce off the VWAP. This is really good. Right here. This right here. Very good. Bounce off VWAP money coming in. Okay. 2-for-1 deal. Really good. Looks like continuation to me. Here we go on our 3-hour overextended, but still looking juicy. Green dot printing. Trying to push up. Trying to continue. Right. All this is breaking out of flags, right? We got flag breakout, flag breakout, flag breakout, flag breakout. Flag breakout? We'll see. It's getting a little bit harder, in my opinion. That's what she said. I know you guys are all making the wrong raunchiness here. So now we get up here, we can see we got bearish divergence. So this is where we start to run into trouble on the short-term time frame, where we look for a retracement at some point. Not fading this, though. Not fading this. Maybe I should have just pressed buy this morning. But this is quite the pump right now. We're getting hourly pushing to the upside. Looking for retracements now, right? Looking for any sort of retracement and continuation. However, if we break structure on a 15, we look to get short back down into the lows, okay? Targeting back into the middle of the range, which would be right around that 98 down to 96,000, okay? So within that area. That's kind of the plan for today. So if you are in the long, make sure you pay yourself. If you are looking to trade, let's not jump the gun today. It's Friday. We want to go into the weekend with a smile on our face, as usual. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's see what we can find today. 3-minute time frame, baby. Always here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., helping you guys navigate this crazy market as it has been lately. We got volume coming in here, pushing price up, and away. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully you got the rundown, and now we can all be patient, wait for the trading setups, and hopefully take advantage of price action, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So not a heck of a lot until we get to that $100,000 level. Okay, we got a nice order block up in there. We got continuation through here. We can look for a continuation trade here, but very, very overextended in my opinion. So let's be patient. Let's let price come to us. Let's practice really good risk management. That's all I can ask to you guys is, this is never financial advice, but you need to manage your risk. I don't know how many times I have to tell people this every single day, but I do. I'll do it anyways. Okay. Wick 589, Dusty Hunt Kelly. In Alaska, they raise kids to fear moose. Forget the devil. You get close to a moose, you run. Also, don't get close. Don't get close to a moose. Okay, so don't mess with the moose. I love moose. Moose are the most beautiful things in the world. It's like a giraffe met a horse, met a deer on steroids. David B., good morning to you, the bird next door. Good to see you. TRD Farmer Retro, Mike Tech. Be careful with that scammy coin, please. And thank you. TRD Farmer, good to see you, man. Buck, good morning. Gang overslept. The game was past my bedtime. It was past my bedtime, too. I'm definitely in that group who goes to bed at, 9:30. I always miss the Asian pump, but that's okay. It's okay. You don't need to be in a trade 24/7, everybody. You can figure it out. Nice continuation here. No trade yet. We're waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Supporting the channel, hanging out. We're getting a beautiful pump this morning. A beautiful pump. 287 people here. 85 likes. Thank you guys for slapping with an extra H. Slapping that like button. Supporting the channel, hanging out here. I do appreciate you guys for coming and hanging out. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I would really like for you to say good morning. Never mind hitting the like button. Just say good morning. I think that's to be expected. No reaction on NQ leveling off. Okay, NQ's leveling off. Yeah, got a little push here, but sweep. That was Walmart, right? Walmart here. Yeah, push back up. Got momentum to the upside on NASDAQ, but mitigation of this high would be next target. Bitcoin continuing to rip. Now, let's not forget that the S&P made an all-time high, and it has been ripping when Bitcoin was consolidating, right? So since the 11th, let's say the 12th of February, the S&P has been ripping. We look at Bitcoin. You go to the 12th. You have to go all the way back to here where this would be our 12th right here, right? So we were consolidating while the S&P was ripping. Okay, so maybe it's time to catch up. We'll have to see, right? And yes, we do have ketchup chips in Canada, and they're delicious. You guys have ketchup chips? You guys gotta have ketchup chips. They make fun of us for ketchup chips. I don't know why. Why would you make fun of? It's like making fun of I don't know, Greek people for Greek salad. It's delicious, right? It's the only salad that's like absolutely fire. Is there a better salad than Greek salad? We're not talking about food again. Oh, man. Now we're going to get some rude people talking about tossing salad or something like that. And I don't know how to put up with you guys. I think I instigate a bit of it. I do think I do. I think I'm guilty of that. I admit, I like to stir the pot a bit. Clowns to the left of me. Let's go. Alexandra G. Alt season is back. Okay, that's a very risky statement, man. That is very, very risky. The daily anchor trigger wave is also a bull div, yeah? Jeez. I guess so. You are right. Yeah, lower low, higher high, right? And we have the hidden bull div here, right? Hidden bull div here on the, I think it's a, what is it, 3-day? No, 2-day? Hidden bull div. Higher high, 2-day, lower low. Hidden, but not lost. Okay, wild. Pushing. peeking out a little bit here. No trade yet. Trading is waiting, baby. We wait. We drop the hammer when it's time. Look at that gang. Look at that beautiful otter gang, man. Look at these guys. Absolute legends, man. Thank you for being here, gang. You guys are cool, man. Look at all these cool cats. Spyros, 25 in the jar. Let's go, buddy. Awesome. Good work. We're allowed 2 swear words a day. I'm trying to curve it, okay? I'm trying to curve it. Quit trying to be so Canadian. Oh, man. Good to see you, JR. Thank you for being here. Ralph Wiggum. Ralph Wiggum's got his finger up his nose. Wrong account name. Awesome, Kelly. Got 6 longs. Stop loss at entry. Good job. Gains for life. Everybody wishing you a happy belated birthday. Today is really, really big day for me. One I've been waiting for some time now. I'm really excited. Today is the day I joined the greatest gang in crypto. Grandmaster Ape. Gang, gang, gang. Today I'm joining the Otter Discord. Thank you so much, man. We're glad to have you. We're glad to have you. It's an awesome gang to be part of. You don't have to do any dirty deeds to be part of the gang. It's $1 a day. Watch the videos. We got a schedule. We got the videos. You get alt ideas. TA, good morning, right? You get chat with me. You get Kyle, who gives you setups as well. Macro analysis. You get Brewberry, charts galore. Smart money concepts. Kyle, momentum trader. Myself, just full on everything trader. Thesis, he not only scalps TIA, but he knows how to trade the spread. I can't. Is it too early to talk about? He was trading the spread on Butthole. We were talking about it last night. He takes degen trades, but he also is an insanely great trader. Gives you key scalps, key levels. You'll learn a lot from everybody in this place, man. Lots of fun. Always good banter, and trying to make not only trading fun, but full of community and good people. The only rule is don't be a douche canoe. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe, okay? Nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for that. Let's just keep that real, okay? Thank you for joining the gang. We could use your Scottishness in the Discord, is for sure. We always need a little bit of Braveheart, baby. Let's go. Don't know what you're waiting for. Up only, my dude. Oh, so just press buy right here. It's not for me, man. Joe Bell. Okay, let's put it on. Here's the trade. Let's see how it does. Probably gonna go to the moon, right? Spyros, good morning to you. Good to see you. JR, Alexandra G, Kelly, Al Jr. Michael, Crew manage what? Risk management all day. Yeah, that's the one. Can we look at ETH? Yeah, we could. We can look at ETH quickly if you want. ETH's got to get above 2,900. Coming up into the top of the value area. Sell wall right now. Long given down below here, but first sell wall right here. This is your value area high of the range. Coming for the highs over here. Big entry to higher prices is 2,900. Okay. Then getting above 3,000, that psychological level. So you got 2,900, which is support and resistance from way back, okay? From way back, all the way in here, all the way in here, all the way in here. Got to get above that, all the way over here. Okay, so you got to get above that and then start trading there. So you're in this beautiful symmetrical triangle. You look for breakout, retest, continuation trade there. Going back to Bitcoiner, yeah. Oh, we're winning now. Big profit, one hit. 290 people in here. People getting excited about crypto, man. That's a lot of views for such an early time. Crypto, Billy, baby. Billy, I'm sorry we beat you in hockey, man. I'll never talk smack again. I like your gas money analogy for stop losses. That's not mine. That is Kyle's, one of our traders in our Discord. Credit's given where credit's due, but it made the most sense to me. This is your gas money to get to work, right? Whether you get paid or not is up to the market. But at the end of the week, if you put gas in your car every single day, at the end of the week, you should have made your money for the week. Okay, but you always got to put gas in your car to get to work. Love it. I love it. Makes sense to me too. On my 3-day, 5-day bounce. Thank you for being here. Gains for life. Dragonfly. Zena, good morning. I'm late. Good to see the pink hand. You know what? You get a late pass today. That's fine. Just glad you're here. Darren does things. China turned on the stimmy money printer. Yeah. DDT is pronounced China. Sorry, I went there. Mr. Fred, good morning. Jeremy, good morning. Montelius, what a great name. Crypto Mike, good morning to you. Deborah, good to see you. Never mind. Dang, I already hit the like. You can unclick it and re-click it. I don't know if that does anything, but it's totally up to you. So we got to ask the Friday poll. We always got to ask the Friday poll. How was your trading this week, baby? Don't include today because you're in a long and you're doing well. Up, down, break even, or absolutely a record. You guys got to let me know. How's your trading been this week? We're up this week. We're having a good week for me. I'm up and away. Hopefully you guys are as well. I've been kicking ass, taking names this week. Even though we're 0 for 3 on the live streams, we are absolutely smacking the smack out of the beautiful, beautiful Bitcoin price action. Jonathan Schaefer, I see the 20 memberships. Am I supposed to say thank you? Or am I supposed to bow to the king? What's going on? Army Piper's in the chat. Stop being so nice. Army Piper, man. I'm an absolute noob about joining the Discord. Well, you're gonna get better. You just go over to the membership thing over here on the left-hand panel, right? You're gonna go over here. You're gonna click become a member, boop, and that's gonna pop up the Discord Me6 thing, and then you're gonna go into there, and you're gonna join. That's it. Is this link not working? It's working. Then you go into here. Then you subscribe, or you subscribe, either button, $30 a month. And then it'll automatically make you purple. Okay, it'll make you purple. I make sure if you do just come in here, make sure you verify, welcome, verification. Then you come over here. Otter Talk is the main chat, and then you should be well on your way. And then you get access to all the traders in here, all the traders, all the people. All of the good stuff, okay? Should be straightforward. You can also message in the Otter Talk section where you can figure that out as well. Thank you, Nicholas. Hope you're doing well fine as well. You're damn fine. Wix White Fine 89. Settle down. We have all talked about a pump rally for another dump until we break the range-bound price action. Control your emotions. That's the one, man. That's the one. I actually eat Greek salad like 3-4 times a week. Feta, that's the one, right? You gotta. I love it, man. Greek salad is the absolute. It's the shit, man. I just swore again. That can't count, man. If I say Greek salad is the shit, that should not count as a swear word. That is a fact. What are your thoughts on XRP? So we had a little bit of a rollover on XRP. We were doing some TA on it the other day. Bit of a rollover, looking for a bounce off of the previous highs, which we did get. Okay, breakout, retest, continuation here. What it really has to do is get above this trend line here, right around $2.80. Looking to break down from that, get above that, and start trading upwards. If you are to lose this level, you're looking to come back down to 240. That would be my major support level, 240. What's going on? Buck as well. Dragonfly, good to see you. TRD Farmer. Are you guys ready to figure out? I ain't no douche canoe. Thank you for not being a douche canoe. Verified trader, what's going on? Good to see you as well. They are targeting shorts. Yeah, they're squeezing, baby. They're squeezing. You're like a crypto sports announcer, giving the market lowdown super fast. I try to, try to feed everybody's questions. I'm new here from Kenya. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Much love to you. Alex needs to think about converting over to XRP focused stream. Farm those unhinged conspiracy theory viewers. I don't think I can't bring myself to. I have never ever. I maybe one XRP buy level video. I did a bunch of buy level videos. I think that's the only thing I've ever done on XRP, is that if it comes to this price, I would consider buying. But I've never done an XRP video for people. Make XRP videos for the views. It's fact. It's a crypto YouTube thing. I ain't that guy. So let's say hi to some lurkers. Sindhu, good morning to you. BG lurker. Julian lurker. Henny lurker. What's going on, lurker? Oh, Blair got one. Blair says good morning. Wayne says good morning. Al Jr. says good morning. Piper got a membership. Let's go. Crypto Mike. Crypto Billy. Let's go. Real big. Lurker. Lurkers. Dave's in here too. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning to you. Good to see you guys. Undies. I've seen you in here before. Oh, wait. Unziz. Sorry, I called you Undies. I didn't mean to call you Undies. Undies. Ernie, good morning. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. It looks like a Pokeball, but I'm sure it's a nice sunset, Ernie. Your picture. Skeets. Lurger. Let's go. Xena Productions. Hey, Alexi Patuti. Hello. Xena. Exina. Moho. What's going on? Good to see you. Mr. Z. Lurker. Albino Rhino. A lot of people here are actually not lurkers. Thank you for all the people who aren't lurkers getting the memberships, okay? That's pretty awesome. Good morning, D. Oz. Real big. I'm not a lurker. Okay, I'm sorry. I like calling people lurkers, man. Good to see you guys in here. Let's go. Dave Digital. Did you guys know a cool fact about this stream is that I was the first one to give Dave Digital a wrench. Did you know that? Did you guys know that? That I gave Dave his first wrench. I will always be so proud of you, Dave. Look at Dave Digital trying not. We got Dave Digital in the background here. He's trying not to touch Alexandra G's butt. Here's Dave Digital with his beautiful wispy beard. Okay, and here's Alexandra G. We had to put him between Piper. Piper's keeping an eye on Dave over here. And then we have Mark Dutch in the background watching you, just in case. We got Jay Violet, Jesse, Melissa, Thesis, Brewberry, myself, Schaefer, French Toaster, R.S. Miller, Kyle, Schaefer, Tony Soprano, Crypto, Billy, Wick 589. Oh, man, you guys are incredible, man. It looks like it's going against us this morning. Al Jr., 5 gifted memberships. Let's see if we get some more lurkers. This is awesome. I love it. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Al Jr., Schaefer, Dave, WBWB, Lurker, Nikki, 94 Boo, Lurker, Foo Bar, Boo Bar, Lurker, Bud74. I think I've seen you before, but I'm going to call you a lurker anyways. And DV. Now, DV is a lot better than DI, so we're happy to have you, DV. Let's go. Love you all, man. You guys are incredible. Member for 9 months. Alexandra G, member for 13 months. She just dropped the hammer on you guys. Alexandra G will lurk for sats. Let's go. Mass sale liquidity at 105. Okay. You guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with us. Do me, he says. Do me. Okay, I don't know about that. Welcome, Grandmaster Ape. Hopefully, we can help you on your crypto journey. We do have a live stream today, Grandmaster Ape, at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which would be 6 or 5 for you. You're +5, so it should be 5 o'clock for you over in Scotland. All right. Am I in a long trade? No, I was told to take a long trade. We're seeing how it played out. I'm not in this trade. I took 2 trades yesterday and made $500. Showed those trades. So yesterday was an interesting day if we're looking at it. Clearly, we were looking for the short up in here. We didn't take the short yesterday, and then it rugged everybody on Walmart. Okay, broke below VWAP. We had a little mini bull div in here, so I took a long in here, and then I took a long from here, and I closed it here. So could have held it longer. In reflection, I actually took profits at VWAP. I was just doing a couple little scalps for the day, a quick 1-2. Okay, and we shared that. Yes, I shared that this morning. I don't know if you weren't here. But these were my last 2 trades in here. Just taking these for the quick win yesterday. So you can see at 10:55 right here. Always people who share their P&L cards, you can find out if they're a liar by checking the time on their P&L cards. Okay, they're liars. Took one here and then took one here. Right. Made a quick 400 and I can't do that math. That's too much for me. Just under $500, right? The problem was with my second trade, which was an absolute banger. We got bullish divergence down in here. Okay, you can see the bull div here on the 5-minute bullish divergence. You got a higher low and a lower low bullish divergence. Got long off of that. Okay, so I took 50%. My take profit, I need to be a little bit more, I don't know, stingy with it. I took out 50% right here when I should have taken 25. This would have turned into like at least a good old $900 trade, right? But instead it was a $300 trade exited early. So you got to be cautious with taking too much off. Like 50% is a lot of profit to take initially when you do get, that move, right? Because you guys know me. I'm looking for that 1% move every single day. And this would have absolutely banged if I just left it, right? Very, very nice trade. Very good entry. Just a little bit of take profit mismanagement. And that's fine. You're never supposed to complain about profits. But when you've been doing it as long as I have, you should, I don't know. I expect better of myself, okay? We had the beautiful balloon dog pattern in here. Shout out to Army Piper for buying a balloon dog, right? And then the continuation up. Okay, that was yesterday. Sweep, grabbing liquidity, double bottom, bullish divergence, continuation onwards and upwards. Took the trade, didn't pay myself properly, but that's a win in itself. Now today, look at this. We are chop solidation over the hockey game. There's just like, oh, okay, Canada won. We'll push it up, and then breakout, retest, I guess, and continuation. Now we're pushing up into a lot of liquidity above us. Trying to mitigate a lot of those the shorts. So up only right now, something I'm not really interested in fading. Just want to be patient. Okay, now we have another low. So if we lose this low, we can look for that breakdown. Coming up to some resistance and some support. So we'll see how it goes today. It is Friday. So remember, they're putting in like a high or whatever into consolidation for the weekly, right? So I always try to look at the weekly. We got a beautiful hammer candle here, looking to push us onwards and upwards into the stratosphere. Okay, beautiful, beautiful hammer candle here. And continuing. So as long as we close, I would say above 97, let's call it 98,000. It's going to look really good. Okay, nice bullish candle pushing us up. So we'll We'll see how high we get, because how high we get right now will give us some sort of wiggle room into the consolidation over the weekend and into the weekly candle print. Okay, so Fridays is always an interesting day. Some people, their best days are Friday or their worst days are Friday, just like Mondays. So Monday's a false move day. Fridays kind of put in the weekly candle day. So some people, for me, I seem to trade really good on Fridays and on Mondays. So it's like it doesn't really affect me, but some people are really affected by that opening and that closing. I struggle midweek. If we're looking at my P&L, it's midweek. It's like it's a hump day. I get hump dayed. I get humped on hump day. I don't know how to Humpty Dumpty. Let's call it Humpty Dumpty. I get Humpty Dumpty on hump day. And that's okay. And you can see that if you go back and look at your P&L, and you can see where your break even days are, your days where you're not doing so hot, right? And that's so important, is to always reflect. Maybe those days you put a less position size, or you make it a less trades, or you got to make it this fine tuning. You got to get fine tuning. Okay, don't clip me going like this on you know what I mean. Okay, always about the fine tuning. Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. How's it going, bro? Thanks, everyone. Please hit the like button. And if you enjoy what you see, consider joining the Discord. Yeah, I would love for you guys to come over here and hang out. Also, Discord is fire. Great people, great trades. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a salesman. I'm a carpenter and a guy who presses buy and sell. Okay. Successfully. Good morning, Otter Gang. Let's go. Great game last night. Absolutely. Canada for the win. I got nieces staying over tonight, but hopefully catch you at 5 p.m. Awesome, man. There's a lot of content in there too. Make sure you go and watch the VWAP video. We did a good VWAP video. You go over here on the left-hand panel. You go over to the pre-records, family live streams. It's right here, family live streams, and go watch the VWAP video. We went in depth on the VWAP. Okay, we're putting together a big old playlist. VWAP, we did fixed range volume profile, trading a range. We always cover something, fixed range volume profile tool, support and resistance, top down. Okay, we always, there's a lot of good stuff in here that we go over. Exchange efficiency, how to enter and exit with limit orders, really good. We go over that stuff. Okay. All right, recording started, showing you guys how to be a ninja on the exchange. You always got to know how to use your tools, right? So we go over all of that in here on BloFin, on all that stuff. So make sure you go and have a gander in there. There's lots of great resources in there. And if you guys need free resources, there is a library here. We got 3 free books. Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. There's free stuff over here. Resources, tons of stuff in here. Okay, it's a plethora of information for you guys. Consolidated into one area where, hopefully we can help you guys. Steve's just looking for a scalp. We'll see what he's looking for. Very active, very happy, go lucky, great group of people built on kindness, man. That's what it's all about. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're waiting. Trading is waiting. And a lot of the time it is. It's waiting for our setups, waiting for the price to come to us, right? So very overextended here on our 24, our hourly as well. Okay, lots of hopium going on in the market right now, but we don't want to be caught long in the top. Okay, that's not what we do here. We want to be patient. Looking for a retrace back in down here. If we're going to retrace, so we couldn't look for the short, but a little roll over here coming down. Adam and Eve. Okay. We could go short here. Not convinced yet, though. We got a trigger wave forming on our 3-minute. So should be patient here. You got bearish divergence here as well on our 5-minute. Bear divs in a bull market in an uptrend are BS, okay? Bear divs, tell yourself this. Bear divs in a bull market, macro, in a aggressive uptrend are BS, okay? Let's look at them, right? Let's look at them. Here's a bear div. Yeah, we came down. 3 drives, though. First bear div is right here. Right? First bear div, you're wrecked. Bang. Okay? 3 drives is different than a bear div. Okay? No bear div in here, just dumpage. Oh, that's a decent bear. No, that's just a lower high. No bear div there. Here's a bear div right here. Wrecked. Not a nice little 3 drives, that's effective. Here's a bear div right here. Wrecked. Okay? The bear divs aren't diving. Okay? Just be very aware of trading bear divs in an uptrend, in a bull run. Be very, very cautious, in my opinion. Coming back here looking for a revisit of previous highs. So we can now look for a long in here. If this, then that. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. We want to see a bounce out of here if we're going to take the long. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 280 people in here. Absolutely incredible. I'm truly honored and privileged to hang out with you guys every single day, so thank you for being here. Supporting the chat, supporting the channel, hanging out with everybody, working together to solve this crazy market. Jeanette, what's going on? Good to see you, Jeanette. Hopefully you're doing well. Where's Mark Dutch? We sent out an SOS for Mark Dutch. If anybody's seen Mark Dutch, make sure you. I've sent him a message and everything, so hopefully he turns up eventually. Tony Soprano. Haven't seen Mark. Hey, what leverage do you trade with scalping? Right here, my friend. Here's the risk. Tony, thank you for sharing that. There's all the information you need on the trading. Canada 1 will push up. I don't know about that. I don't think Canada will be doing any push-ups, man. You know that Chuck Norris, he doesn't do push-ups. He does world downs. I guess you get to keep your country. Were we battling for countries? Good to see you, Lunar Beaches Crypto. Good morning, Lunchable. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you, man. I was having hump trading before finding Alexo Crypto. Gains for life. You're so kind. If you didn't see it, I mean, this guy, he wrote one of the nicest testimonials I've read in a long time, man. This is pretty cool. Gains for life here. Our man, our myth, our legend. Thank you so much for this. Alexo Crypto. I just wanted to show my appreciation for your time and effort and how you consistently share your approach to trades. The way you speak your mind, the clarity you bring to the charts, reached me on another level. Much greater than a lot of so-called trading teachers could do. My future's 360-day P&L paints a very clear picture of what education and dedication does. Your live streams and this Discord have played a major role in fueling my success. Your trading style is not only effective, but it is also trustworthy and principled. So big thank you to you and everyone who make your show possible and supports you to have such sound integrity. Plus a major note, you make trading actually fun. So bam, you the man. Much love. God bless you. Thank you so much. And you can see, look, woof, man, that's some sexy green days in here, my man. Good job. Keep it up. Keep practicing that good risk. You know, good risk management, small wins, small losses, big wins, right? Thank you so much for the amazing testimonial, Gains for Life. I do appreciate you. And this is why we do it, right? I could just go and trade. We were free for 2.5 years, right? I could just go trade, not be here. That would be cool. But I like doing it with you guys. Trading can be lonely. But thank you so much for the amazing testimonial. It means a lot to me and all the mods and all the people who have been here hanging out, working and getting better. So thank you for the kind words. It's touching, okay? Now we're not going to get all soppy. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Up 46% this week. You guys are on fire. Let's go, guys. I guess you guys are pressing the buy button. Incredible. Incredible. Love the wee wop. Let's see if we get to the wee wop. Let's go. Why did you learn how to beatbox? I do it myself sometimes. So I can't rap. And I grew up like inner city Toronto. So you can imagine. Boom, boom, boom. So I had to drop a beat or something, right? Ladies and gentlemen. And then Rozelle became my hero. And the rest was history. Let's go. And it was fun. That's why, man. That's why. We just, I don't know. People would spit bars and I would just drop the beat. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. We used to have fun, man, as kids. And I mean, I guess it's, I can't forget it. So it's all there, right? I haven't like practiced. I used to practice a lot when I was younger. My 6-month-old son loves it. He's like he doesn't know what hit him. I shorted. Oh man. Good short. Good short. Nice little rejection off of here. 0.5% move. A little bit slow this morning. 9:15. Thank you everybody for being here. We got 50 minutes till market opens. You know, up only in here. Rejection rolling over. Trying to mitigate this low right now, so a little patience will prevail. We'll see how it goes here. We do have uptrending momentum to the upside here, so we can track that. That would be if we break, we could break this, right? If we break this and retest and drop. We've got VWAP in here, so very cautious here. We're going to mitigate this low right now. Will we get a bounce, though? I would say the significant low to lose is here. We'll have to wait and see. Okay? USA would beat Canada in pickleball. Yeah, let's go. That's awesome. I mean, I've never played pickleball. I heard it's pretty fun. I mean, I love racket sports. I'm big on tennis. I'm big on ping pong. So badminton, you name it, racket sports. I really want to play Dave Digital in a game of tennis in Vegas. That would be, mwah. Love to just give him that big old cheesy serve, and then the drop shot, bloop. Make Dave run. Oh man. All right. What's going on, Teeth? Good to see you. JR Otter gang. I shorted. Let's go. In the money, baby. In the money. We'll see how it reacts. You guys are incredible. Tony Soprano, Alexandra G, Melissa Day One. Oh my God. Love you guys. Bass Crouton. JR's going to rap. Should have been on Pitch Perfect. I don't know. Your 52-year-old brother loves it too. Piper, you're not 52. You're young, man. You beautiful. You're too handsome, man. I love you, Piper. We're going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy today. We'll go send you guys over there. It's Friday, baby. Maybe he'll chicka Alex O crypto for you guys. Oh, man. Little pushback here. Sweep of the lows, mitigation of the lows, continuation up here, trying to go. Got VWAP curving to the upside right now. Trading is waiting. So we've mitigated these lows, however, still rolling a bit here. This is like, if you want to call it an Adam and Eve, or bear divving. Bear divving here typically returns to the low. Very slow price action. NASDAQ here trying to push. Remember, target up in here. Mitigating this high here. Continuation of an uptrend, which is good for us here. For the S&P, we'd like to see it get back above here. So we'd like to see it get back to these all-time highs that we did take. Okay, get them back above here. So a gap up would be nice. And then maybe consolidation into the weekend. We'll see how that goes. No trade yet. Just waiting. My love to you, Creed. Good to be here. 2 years sober. Congratulations. Sobriety is great. Dave Digital in the chat. Are we gonna play? We're gonna play some tennis, bro. I don't know if I ain't gonna bring my tennis racket on a plane, so we're gonna have to rent some tennis rackets. I don't know. We're trying to put together a golf team too. I'm bringing my golf clubs. We're going golfing. Me and Tradefly and whoever else wants to come golfing. You can't be a weirdo though, man. Like, don't come golfing if you're like, I don't know, gonna ask me about the charts while we're golfing. That's all I ask. Like, we're golfing. R.S. Miller, thank you for being here. Thank you so much for the super chat, Army Piper. God bless you, bro. I've gone up too early. I have to go back to bed. Okay. What up, bro? Trading is waiting, huh? Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, you can get in here. I mean, that's totally up to you. Until I see something I like, I don't. Sometimes we're already in 3 trades before here. Sometimes we're taking a trade right off the hop. Last week was volatile in the morning. Like right like 8:15 it started picking up. We got a little bit of a fake out this morning right at the beginning. You got the fake out, retest, and then the breakout, right? Very whipsaw, right? Just like this, we had that here. Bear divs into a resistance level rolling over here, mitigating the low now. So up only, everybody's, trapping longs, really. Trapping longs. Maybe, something like that. We'll see. We're prepared. We can see that, we're starting to get a little pushback on our shorter term time frames, our 5, our 8. Okay, our 8's trying to roll up too. VWAP as well. We look at our 15, though, still very overextended. Lots of room to the downside. Bear divs across the board here. 24, same deal. Overextended. Very aggressive uptrend right now. Very steep. Macro trend line in here. Can we come back and retest the highs and then go? Possibly. Order block above us in here. Golden pocket and such below us as well, right? Lots of liquidity, and also lots of liquidity. So stuck in the middle, depending on which way it wants to push. Right now it's pushed up. I would expect low and then up. That's just me. Especially overextended here on our oscillators. Just wanting to be a prepared trader. And that's just me. It seems to have worked for over a year now. So full-time trading. So we'll keep doing what's working, and then we can add bits and bobs here. You don't want to mess up, Nona's recipe. You want to have your recipe, and then hey, sometimes we're gonna add a little bit extra chicken. Sometimes we're gonna add a little bit of, a little extra garlic. Shout out to garlic, man. Nothing better than some garlic. I also have not played pickleball. Maybe our first game is in Vegas. Yeah, maybe we should set up like a pickleball court in my midget tossing booth. What do you think? What up, bro? Trading is waiting. Yeah. Okay, we're waiting here, rolling over a bit. Crypto Billy, thank you for being here, my man. Crypto Billy, we give ourselves two swears a day. We're at one swear right now. We only swore twice yesterday. I'm gonna say fuck right now, so I'm at 2 swears now. I won't swear for the rest of the stream. Okay? We're doing it. We're doing it. Even if the price action is absolutely dog poop. See? I can do it. I can do it. You can change. I can change. We can all get better every single day. Every single day. Giver's game, baby. Crypto Billy, man. I love you, bro. Hopefully you're having a great day. Not working too hard. It's Friday, baby. Coming down to key level of support here. Momentum trend line to the down to the upside. Okay, trying to hold on for dear life here. We got 7 minutes till market open. Starting to get a little bit more volume in the charts here. Rolling over here. Alexo Crypto trying to push down here. Retest the previous highs. Okay, of the range. So if we're looking here, we just sometimes I just like to see where the volume picks up, and this will give me kind of like, okay, yeah, even though there's a wick in here, we can see where the volume picks up. So that's kind of where we would look for price to stall out if it's going to come all the way down, okay? Just in general, okay? You can see here. So this is a shelf of volume. I consider this a shelf, right? So this is where, you know, if we are going to come down, I would expect a little bounce, okay? However, we can take that earlier. It's just another key level that we're interested in, depending on what happens here with price action. This is a good mitigation of the low. Now changing structure on a very short time frame. Let's not get it twisted. Okay, this would be significant, in my opinion. If we lose this low, then we are looking to come possibly down something along the lines of this, right? Where we have that continuation down. Nothing until then. We could sweep it if we don't close below this. Okay, you got to understand, if you wick down below this and then you pop back up, I wouldn't consider that a change in structure because it's not a candle close. You're not confirming your trend in that sense. So you need to be able to interpret that live. That's why price action is always going to be king when it comes to those situations. We're waiting. Let me know if you're in a long or if you got short there. I would love to know, you guys. So please let me know. 2 swears a day keeps the doctors away. Did you get the festival or industry pass for? I got the press pass. So I got accepted for a press pass. I told them that I make OnlyFans content for Bitcoin maxis, and they let me in. They didn't give me a booth, though. I asked them for the booth and the tossing booth, and they wouldn't give it to me, so I tried. I haven't used my rackets in like 5 years. I don't know if the strings can handle my power. Because you've been lifting, Dave. You're going to be having that smash. Alexander G is going to be my golf cart driver. I'm so down. I'm so down. Duality Crypto, good to see you. I like the name. Pretty cool, man. Good song. Good song, man. Kelvin, what up? Good to see you. Jonathan Schaefer, JR. Gains for life. I was invited to do it. Awesome. Crypto Billy, baby. Billy, baby. I love saying Billy, baby. Every time I say Billy, baby in the chat, you know exactly how I'm saying it, Billy. Billy, baby. Let's go. Meow. I struggle so much. Nothing works for me. I can't even be a bit profitable. Can't even on my own. Neither from signals. Tried so many things. I'm devastated. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. We can go over in the Discord, but there's probably something you need to be able to recognize what you're doing wrong, right? So it's hard. It's called honest self-appraisal, right? Like if you're a business and you're selling, let's say you're selling, I don't know why I always go to vacuums, but you're selling a vacuum. You got your vacuum store here and you're selling Hoovers from 1970, okay? You got these beautiful Hoover Dyson things, but they're from 1970. You need to get rid of that inventory in order to bring in the Dyson sucking machine 10,000 from 2025, right? You need to be able to look at what you're doing and change it to something that's fresh and new but works. Okay? So you have to understand what isn't working. Maybe it's your stop losses are too tight. Maybe you're over risking. Maybe you're putting too much money on your trades. Maybe you're not risking 1%. Maybe you're not committed to your stop loss or your invalidation point. Maybe you don't have a strategy that's successful. You need to backtest. You need to analyze what you're doing, how you're doing it, and why you're doing it, and then make adjustments, fine tuning. You take the big stuff, you condense it into smaller stuff, right? You got to be like, okay, buy, sell, bullish divergence. What is my strategy? How am I trading? Is this profitable? Backtest, 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 backtest. Then implement. Get data. Practice good risk management. Risk 1% of your account. Do the testing, paper trading. Then add money. Then add size. See how you handle the size, right? 11 inches. Around. I had to do it. Market open, 1 minute. Getting a bounce off of the key level of support here. Retest the previous highs. Just take profits when it's green. I like that one. I just read that one. Looking for a gap up here. Okay, break even. So we're here. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what goes. If we can get a push here, that would be nice. However, S&P trying to go. Bitcoin rolling over into market open here. Bitcoin rolling over, coming into VWAP right now. VWAP slap. You get a VWAP slap here, baby. Come on. VWAP slap. Retest of this low in here first. Nice rollover. Congrats who got short there. That's a ballsy trade. I'll give you that. Nice VWAP slap into here. Okay, here it comes. No bounce, no trade. Mitigation of the low. Lots of liquidity in these lows here. No trade yet. Trying to hold. Going to 1 minute here. No trade. Volume coming in here on market open. Losing this momentum, losing this low. Break below this low here. This looks like continuation down. Coming into our volume level in here now. Below VWAP. Looking lower now. Bitcoin rolling over. Look at 786 here. We got our high in, so we'll see. If we can come back, reclaim VWAP, that would be nice as well. 786 down here. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Trying to hold on VWAP. That doesn't look like a hold right now. That looks very weak. Indecisive candle here. This looks like continuation down, probably 98.4. Got Jesus take the wheel on the 1 minute here. That's continuation to the downside if we do get that trigger wave above us. All right, no trade here. Coming back down here. 3 minute candle close in 10 seconds. Shout out to those who got short. Good job. Nice little move here. Trying to hold. Playing with our heartstrings here on our VWAP. Not something I want to long right here. It's not a level for me. Retest of the highs. VWAP. Still waiting. NASDAQ flat. Go to US 100 here a little bit more. NASDAQ, US 100 rolling over. Okay, so nice rollover here for US 100. Trying to pop back up. See if it can continue, but big rollover here for US 100. Shout out to Wild Berries. He, instead of looking at the NASDAQ, you can look at the US 100. It's a little bit more up to date with the data. You can see here. So shout out to you, man. Thank you for bringing that to our attention here. A little bounce off VWAP here for Bitcoin, trying to push Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Three minutes still heading down. Not something I'm interested in just yet. We could hold here, but I'd rather take the higher low. If we're gonna bounce, I'd rather take the higher low and get on the up train this way. Little patience here. Rolling over on VWAP on a 5 minute. Getting a bit overextended on our 15. We could be looking for a bounce shortly. Same with our 24. Overextended on VWAP. I like that. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out here. Do appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys are slapping up that like button, subscribing if you are new, and joining the Discord, all that good stuff. We're here just talking about trying to be a profitable trader, trying to make it a full-time thing. Managing trading while you're working, not easy. I did it. It's a task. It's doable though. It's doable. It takes effort. That's the thing. You got to work at it. I mean, I've been streaming live every day, every Monday to Friday for 3 years now, while trading, while working construction. If I can do it, you can do it. You got to want it, baby. Pushing here. I like this. This is looking okay. A little bit of strength in here. Come on, Belly. Who won the game? Why am I in a good mood, man? Who won the game? Come on. I'm sorry I haven't shared my OnlyFans link. That's only for the Kraken house. Roll over here, coming into our 786 bounce level now. This is our bounce level here. Big up, howdy. Good to see you, Abaya. Almighty Zeus, good to see you. I'm in a long on that's a lot of trades, man. Rolling over VWAP here. I took that short. Good job, Darshan. Nice roll over here for Bitcoin. I'm on the edge, have to start all over. You're not starting all over. You're starting from where you're at, right? I mean, you have a lot of experience now, so you take that experience and you apply it to where you're at right now. I mean, you haven't wasted. It's a tuition in itself, right? It's a tuition in itself. You're gonna pay your price however you want to do it, whether it's a lot or whether it's, no matter what, you're gonna pay a price to learn the skills and learn. But if you're not journaling, if you're not documenting, you're not practicing good risk management, you're gonna spend a lot more money. A lot more money. It's like going to university without going to high school. Something like that. I don't know how to put it. Right? You're not gonna know general biology if you're trying to be a doctor. You don't do the first parts, right? The free parts. Then you pay university fees, and then you go into the real world, and you start working. So it's a process, just like anything else. That's why we wait. Trading is waiting. So in our bounce level here, key support level, I do like this area. Potential bounce. Like to see a good reaction here on price action. Our volume level in here. Okay, we got a volume level in here, 786 as well. We're not taking the trade on just, it's down. It's going down, right? It's down. A little VWAP fake out for those who wanted to get long off VWAP. We didn't take that either, right? Point of control of the little range here. Good rollover. This is healthy. Overextension, right? Trying to hold here. Trying to hold here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 330 people in here. Thank you for the lurkers in the back and the people who are in the chat. Thank you for smacking up that like button. We got 164 likes and 330 of you guys. I imagine 330 people here, all on their computers or on their phones or at work. You guys are awesome. All of you guys out there. I can't imagine. Couldn't imagine me sitting at a desk and all of you people sitting. It blows my mind every time. Blows my mind. You guys are, you humble me. And I appreciate it. All right, little wiggle about here. Okay, coming into this area here, trying to hold on. Golden pocket down below here. So we have golden pocket 786. Okay, that's the key bounce level. We have order block in here as well. Okay, so quite a good bounce level if we do come down 97,500-ish area. It's rolling over right now. Sweep of the lows. Next level, right? Sweep of the lows. We'll see how it goes. Dixie. Rolling over, very good sign here. This is one of the most bullish signs in my opinion. Is the Dixie rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over hard. S&P rolling over too. Okay. Into Friday. Healthy correction right here. And we're looking for strength. Maybe a sweep low, and then we're looking for that, right? That's what we're looking for. And you can put this thing anywhere you want. Put it here, put it here, put it here, put it here, put it here. Right? You're looking for this. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Maybe this one's it, right here. Nice pushback here, middle of the range. Reclaiming the trend line, that's good. Momentum wave pushing back up here. Okay, very overextended. VWAP trying to push back. Late longs, right? Late longs getting wrecked. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. We'll see how this goes here. Trying to push back. Shout out to the Canadians and their hockey team. That's me. My biggest problem, I realized after back testing, is that I move my stop losses down and down thinking I'm going to bounce a little. End up getting wrecked. Yeah. Don't move your stop loss. Clear invalidation point. Always. Always. You can only fill up your car so much, right? $30 gas money. Fills your car. That's it. You cannot be moving that stop loss, I tell you. That will be the detriment of your account. You need to say that, hey, if I get long here, I am wrong if we close below this low here. I am wrong. I am wrong. My idea is wrong. My idea is that we break out, come up into here, right? I am wrong if we go below here. That's my $300, right? That's my entry. Does it work, right? Does it work in my risk to reward, right? You can't be moving that stop loss. Committing to the 1% risk percent changed my trading. That's it. Nice bounce out of here. See how it reacts on VWAP. Push into VWAP, come slap, and then we go. We'll see. Slap VWAP. I like the hammer candle here. Needs to show me strength though. Like we get a hammer candle here, bought back up into this trend line here, trying to push into VWAP. Then we can look for possible retrace and then continuation. Coming into this order block in here. Nice push here. I'm going to slap VWAP here. We'll see what happens. VWAP slap. Could short this. It is overextended here. You got good support here at 98,000 as well. Let's see. Like I said, I'd like to see the double bottom in here. Either a higher low or a sweep of the low. Good pushback here. Very good pushback here, getting above VWAP. There's a slap. That's the hopium candle right there. See the volume come into that candle here to get us above. Nice move. Little bounce on NASDAQ. Dixie rolling over. S&P bouncing. We wait. Still waiting here. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good push through VWAP here, coming for this order block here. See if we can come back in. Good V-shaped recovery up to 98 to 99,000. That would be nice as well. Good push here for Bitcoin. I would look for VWAP retest continuation. Looking for VWAP retest continuation here. If we get it. Slap the high, come back in, and go. 240 people here. Thank you for being here. Add size, stack plywood. Yeah. Nice short, everybody. Whoever got short. Tempted to long here. Yeah. Me too. Fast crouton. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Slapping 99. Bit overextended here. Not where we want to buy. Just waiting. I trade bear when I get a winter layoff. I'm a union electrician. I've been day trading and working a trade for 3 years. Great job, Bass Crouton. Thank you, Sparky. Are you a Sparky that cleans up after yourself? That's the question. I want to know. Do you pick up all your pieces off the ground? You're union Sparky, so you're definitely not cleaning up after yourself. Don't tell me you are. That was a nice shakeout. Yeah, absolutely. Look for this trade in here. We'll see if we get it. If you aren't live streaming 7 days a week, drawing flag triangles and never showing your total trade P&L, are you really a content creator or a trader? That's it, man. That's it. We're traders helping traders, man. That's the difference. Anybody can come on here and be like, "Oh, I caught the bottom. Look at my P&L card. Look at." Yeah. Whatever. You're paying your bills with your NordVPN fucking. Oh, I swore. Oh, I gotta add. See, you got me going, Piper. I said your NordVPN effing sponsorship. Okay, that's what you're paying your bills with. You're not paying your bills with trading. I don't mind swearing on that one. I don't mind swearing on that one. That was a well worth it swear. Coming in here trying to slap you up. I went there, okay? I went there. Piper got me riled up, man. Coming down. All right, I'm in. Stop loss below the low here. Stop loss below the low. Looking for continuation back up to the highs. Pretty cheap trade. See if we can push up the highs. I'm in. See if we get the push here. Come back down. Stop loss below the lows here. Don't want it to lose VWAP, really. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push, baby. You're going to get those candle blowers out here. Interesting rejection here. Let's see if we can push back up here. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Time to go. Nasdaq's still struggling. S&P's still struggling a bit here. We are overextended. Like, it's a really ugly retest. So if we're bearish divergence retest, like, I would like to see something more like this and then a rejection. Push back. Then a rollover, but for now we wait. We'll see if we can push back up into these highs here. Not looking too good so far, though. See if we can go. Got bearish engulfing, though. This could be probably a misread here with the bearish engulfing. Just got to hold this trend line, otherwise I'm out. See with this, now looking at this a little bit in hindsight, right? The bearish engulfing, you wait for it to, you should wait for it to push back above VWAP. A little mistake here. So it could still be okay if it pushes back and reclaims VWAP and goes. But a little mistake in reading that. Got to push back above and go. That's okay. Can it go? It's got to go here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. You guys making me swear. Driving between jobs and always watching you every morning. Thanks for the great analysis. Thanks for being here, Trimworks. I appreciate you, bro. Got to go, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Push, let's go. Give us a Friday celebration. Charlie Murphy. Charlie Murphy. Never giving you money. Let's go, baby. I shouldn't have never given you money. McJames. Getting above VWAP. This is good. Can we hold VWAP? Starting to form a symmetrical triangle. My favorite. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. This is the worst. This is the worst. Not the sausage. The worst. $12-minute curling up here on VWAP. That's good. Reset at the lows. Continuation. 15. Trying to push 2. 24. Flattening out. That's decent. 5-minute here. Trying to spike back up here. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. $99 $150 looking 99 $150. It's kind of stalling out here. I would have liked to see this go a little bit faster than normal. No follow through. Not getting a bounce on the NAS as I would like here. S&P is still pretty flat. So if we don't get a decision on the next 3 candles, we'll have to adjust. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you guys. Crypto Billy in the chat. 100% the biggest improvement since watching you is realizing I need to be more patient with my entries. We all overtrade. I think the dilemma of being a trader is thinking you need to be in a trade all the time. It's always on our minds, right? I'm not getting the volume I like here, really. Decreasing. Indecision. We're moving up on lowering volume, which is a good sign, right? So we're moving up on decreasing volume, which is always suggests there's absorption in here and trying to push price up, but can't just go based off of that, in my opinion. I'd like to see us come up to standard 1. Not even getting there, right? A little bit of weakness in here. Trading is waiting, baby, even when you're in a position. The only thing that allows you to sit through this is really knowing your risk, right? That's the one thing. Is if you know you're risking 1% and you got 100 trades to take, it's very easy to take your trades, right? It's decision time. Let's go, Bitcoin. Figure it out. Figure it out. Let's go, baby. Come on, push, baby. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe pambe. You got to go. You got to go. Can somebody tell it to go, please? Someone call Mr. Bitcoin, Satoshi. Randy, good morning. Good to see you. BC, Board PC, good to see you as well. Crypto Billy in the chat. Al Jr., thanks for hosting this badass community. Thanks for being here, man. Max Wild, wee, who farted? Uh-oh. Gonna bounce off the daily open. Previous daily open? Is that previous daily open? Or is that previous daily high right now? It's gotta go, baby. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Let's go, Bitcoin. You gotta go. Thank you for being here, Dragonfly, French Toaster, Max Wild, Bass Crouton. Never leave scraps for the laborers. Yeah, I know what you mean, man. Wire boxes and wire covers everywhere. That's it, man. You get under every stud cavity is absolutely decimated, man. And you drill all your holes in the wrong places. No cleaning up of the shavings, nothing. All your steel stud knockouts, they're all over the floor. I love you, bro. I love you too, man. Always push to the insulators. That's it. That's it. Failing to hold VWAP here. This is painful, isn't it? It's pretty painful. Put a 1 in the chat if it's going to go up. Put a 2 in the chat if it's going down. You guys got to let me know, man, because this is getting quite annoying, really. Let me know in the chat. Which way are we going? Because I need your help. You guys are the professionals here. Uh-oh, not enough memory. We got canceled already. They're canceling the show. I don't know why it does that. It's been doing that a little bit lately. I got more memory than a goldfish, at least. I got 1s and 2s in the chat. 1s and 2s in the chat. 1s. Home sales news out, down. Was it really waiting for home sales news? Is that it? They're going to do that to us dirty? Looks short to me. You're early, Alex? Yeah, most likely. Showing up early is my problem. I do show up early quite often. Always ready. Push, baby. Come on, corn. All right. Forget about this trade. I'm taking that off. It's probably going to pump now. That's fine. Nice $180 trade here. Going to push to the moon now. That's fine. I'm going to go and have breakfast with my son and my wife. Can always make more money. Never have that time back, baby. Okay. Entry. It's all here. When we entered, 950. Okay. When we exited, 102. 950. Right when I said I'd enter. Okay. There you go. Quick $200. That's how we roll, man. That's how we roll. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If this is going to go, I don't know. That's totally up to the market. That's why we practice good risk management. We hang out with you guys. We make money. GG's all around. GG's all around. Money is money. Let's go, baby. I want to see my GG's in the chat. GG's. I will see you guys in the Discord. I'm going to send you guys over to... I'm going to have a... I'm going to see you guys in the Discord. You guys are incredible. Looks like we are actually pushing a little bit now. Easy $200 though. That's the one. That's the one. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Always use a stop loss. I will see you guys, and I'm going to send you guys over to Piper Academy. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the